Hey everyone, Mike Batista here from the Johns Hopkins University and a member of the Smartphone Physical team that will be debuting this year at TEDMed 2013. I'm here again to talk about some of the devices that we will be demoing at TEDMed this year. Here I have the Wireless Body Analysis Scale by iHealth. So let's take a look at what came in the box. So we have the owner's manual and quick start guide, and down here on the floor we have the scale itself. Now let's note that this isn't your standard scale. It does a bit more than that. You can see that there are two electrodes, or two metal contacts on each side of the scale. Now, one of the examples of a value that the scale can calculate beyond just weight is percent body fat. And the way it does that is by sending a small electrical signal through those electrodes, so you have to be standing on the device with bare feet to get this reading. Since body fat is a poor conductor of electricity, the signal sent compared to the signal received by the device can be used to estimate your percent body fat. The application that we will be using is the iHealth My Vitals application. So here, since the scale has previously been connected to our wireless already, it's automatically noticed by the application and it connects. And here it's going to ask me to put in some of my information to make sure that the body composition calculation is correct. Now while I'm putting this information in, I want to note that this is the My Vitals application, which is a free download, is the newest in iHealth's applications. Their previous applications have only interfaced with a single device. So for example, the iHealth blood pressure cuff or the iHealth scale, the older version of the scale. The My Vitals application interfaces with all of their devices. So no matter what device you have, this application will work with it. Now we are again connected to the scale. It's waiting for me to stand on it. Let's go over here again to the scale. I'm going to stand on it. And let's look at what's happening on the phone. So we can see here that the phone is recording my weight as I stand on the scale. In a second here, there it goes. It's going to start calculating my percent body fat in the manner that I described previously. So now we see here we have, sit down, we have a few different values that the device calculates. Again, we have our weight, like we'd expect a normal scale. We have my BMI, which is calculated based on the information that I put into the device, as you saw. The percent body fat, which we described, and lean mass. Now, some of the values are not calculated by the iPhone application. However, I have seen that on the iPad version of this application, these values, such as bone mass, muscle mass, are calculated and recorded. So there you go. That is the iHealth Wireless Body Analysis Scale. And be sure at TEDMed to check out in our demo room, in addition to the Wireless Body Analysis Scale, iHealth's blood pressure cuff, and an older version of the iHealth scale itself.